The Easy DIY Murphy Bed Hardware Kit is made in USA and Canada, and it includes all the necessary parts and complete instructions to assist you in building a fully functional, professional-grade Murphy bed, also known as a wall bed, that will serve you and your family for a lifetime. A set of very detailed, visually illustrated cutting, construction, and assembly guidebooks are included in the kit. Also included are step-by-step online mobile-friendly videos that will take you through every step of the building and assembly of your Murphy bed. For your convenience, you can watch the videos on our website as many times as you need to, or on your tablet or smartphone. This high-quality hardware package includes a made-in-USA easy lift piston system that will make opening and closing your bed a breeze while providing you and your family a lifetime of dependable service and comfort. A set of powder-coated upper piston plates are also included. A fully adjustable, quick-release nylon mattress strap is designed to keep your mattress in place when the bed is closed. A set of lower piston plates featuring our unique 2-in-1 combo that eliminates difficult measurements and adjustments when building the Murphy bed. The male pivot plate and lower piston plate have been combined into one to handle increased weight capacity and dependable operation while making it quick and easy to set up and install. The male pivot plate includes an auto-locking pin for quick installation and eliminates the need for difficult locking clips or other mechanisms. Included is a set of our newly designed square tube fold-up legs that offer increased weight handling over round tube legs. Our legs also have an anti-slip rubber footing to eliminate slippage or scratches to laminate or hardwood flooring. The legs easily fold into the bed frame when the bed is not being used. There is also a hardware box containing all the hardware parts that you will require to attach the hardware components to the bed parts quickly and easily. An Allen key is included to help you install the hardware components. The first step is to go through the guidebooks and watch the online videos, so you get familiar with the building and assembly process from start to finish. In general, this project will take about 20 hours of your time to complete. Of course, this will vary depending on your skill level. You can also do the building and assembly process little by little whenever it fits into your schedule. This do-it-yourself project requires basic woodworking tools that can be found in most homes. If you don't have some of the tools, you can rent them at your local Home Depot or Lowe's for a few dollars a day. The step-by-step guides and videos are focused on making the process as easy as possible and convenient for you. Basic woodworking skills are required, like drilling, cutting with a circular saw if you choose to cut the wood yourself, driving screws, and applying edge banding if you choose to. Of course, if you have any questions or something is not clear to you in the process, you can contact our expert support staff for assistance. For your convenience, we offer a toll-free telephone number and extended hours email support if you require assistance at any point. Why not download your free copy of our step-by-step Murphy bed construction guide by clicking on the link below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like these.